Hi, I'm so glad you joined me today. This is Dr. Haley Stevens with Innovative Health Haven. And today I want to talk to you about how to make your own saline solution that you can use for your kids or for yourself, as well as how to nebulize iodine. You can also diffuse iodine for smaller kids, but this is two things that are super helpful for respiratory illness and disease while we're in respiratory season. Okay, so saline, super simple solution. Most people have heard of saline. Essentially just a salt water. So a lot of the saline that you can buy over the counter, it has extra things added to it that are really helpful, extra kind of fillers and chemicals. And so you can make your own saline at home. It's very easy, and I'm gonna tell you how to do that. Okay, so what you want to do to make your own saline is you want to take 1 cup of sterile water. You want to boil the water for about 20 minutes, and then you're going to add half a teaspoon of non-iodized salt. I like to use Himalayan salt to this solution and dissolve all the salt. And there you have it. You can store it in a glass jar. Use this. You can use a syringe or some kind of dropper to put this into your child's nose. Saline is really helpful for rinsing away any dry or excess mucus, which can lower your risk for further infection. It also helps clear the cilia and repair the cilia, which are the tiny hairs in the nose. And it's their job to keep the nose free of dirt and dust. So it helps with that. And so it also helps keep the nose dry or moist instead of dry, and can help thin mucus and then allow that mucus to drain out of the nose. Okay, iodine. Iodine is super, super, super old medicine. If you think about surgeries, they still use, betadine, which is a mixture of iodine. Iodine is effective in killing lots of viruses, including SARS-CoV-2, COVID, influenza, RSV, fungus, bacterial infections. It's just really a broad spectrum natural antibiotic. And the awesome thing about iodine is that when you nebulize this or diffuse this, it's effective in killing the respiratory virus, but it doesn't impact your gut or kill the good bacteria in your gut like antibiotics, conventional antibiotics do. So this is super awesome and helpful for illness. Iodine also increases our own immune system's effectiveness through enhancing natural killer cells, enhancing cytokines, helping our white blood cells to be more effective in cleanup. Iodine's a powerful antioxidant, clears up free radical damage, and it just really has a lot of benefits, and there's really no side effects with how we're going to use this. Okay, so you want to use, for nebulizing, you can make the saline as I mentioned before, and then you want to add 1 to 2 drops of either Lugol's 2% iodine, which is food grade, or you can use this body bio iodine, which is also safe for ingestion. And again, 1 to 2 drops into your nebulizer, and you can add your homemade saline. You're going to turn the nebulizer on and use it for about 7 to 10 minutes, around to 7 minutes. There's some research that we start to kind of recirculate our own nasal drainage. So maybe 5 to 7 minutes is better. But do this 3 to 5 times a day for your kids. It's totally safe for kids, even young kids, or for yourself, and it will help destroy the bacteria, kill the bacteria, improve cough, and just shorten the duration of the illness, essentially, because you're gonna give yourself this natural antibiotic. You can also diffuse iodine. So if you have a baby and you just don't want to deal with, nebulizing, you can put 1 to 2 drops, again, food grade, like Lugol's 2% iodine, or this body bio iodine into your diffuser. You can also add in thieves, which is awesome for killing viruses and bacteria. And you can just diffuse that in their room. You can do that, you know, in the living room as well, wherever they're gonna be. And again, this is just gonna really help treat the virus, kill the bacteria, and shorten your illness. This is natural medicine. You don't have to have a prescription. You don't have to worry about side effects. Is it gonna, you know, hurt their gut? No, it's not. And it's really just gonna help you overall. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped you, your family, and friends. And like me and follow me for more.